channel. My name is Robin and this is my rooming closet. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. And if you're returning, as always, thank you for your loyalty to my channel. I do all sorts of unboxings, clothing, jewelry, fashion, lifestyle, and I am doing it outside, so if you hear some noise, I apologize for that, but it's just such a beautiful day. So the unboxing that I am doing today is a new subscription for me. It's called Vacation Crate. And since I will be going to Mexico in a few months, I thought maybe I'd try this box out and see what it has to offer. So let's get into it. It is, I believe, a monthly subscription box. And I will leave a discount code and a link below, so if it's something that you want to try and get more details on, it will be down there. So the first thing is the card that has everything that's in the box. And it just comes nicely wrapped. A postcard, and I'm not sure where this postcard is from, but it's a nice postcard. And it's got some string on here, and it's got a Milano, New York hotel sticker. Okay, it is filled with a bunch of stuff. So let me get the card out. The first thing, it looks like a headband. Give me a moment. Cozy knit headband. Keep your ears toasty warm on the slopes or anywhere you find yourself this winter. This knit headband is super cute with a ponytail or hair long. My daughter and her husband are in France right now skiing. So I wish I would have gotten this just a little bit earlier. I definitely would have sent it to her. So it's nice. It's probably something I'll never wear, but you never know, because it looks awfully small, but it's got some stretch to it. The next thing, one of my favorite items, is a Dreamcatcher. This is beautiful, and I was actually, my son just bought a house back in Chicago, a beautiful 3-bedroom, and I went looking for a Dreamcatcher to bring to them for their house. And you know what? This is the perfect Dreamcatcher. So this will be going to my son's house. And let's see, it's Ecuador Crafts Dreamcatcher. They are handmade using glass beads, feathers, and a calf suede strip. So yeah, that'll be going. This tangle-free hairbrush. I have never ever seen anything like that. So I will definitely give this a try out. And see if I can find it. Keep your hair beautifully tangle-free with this handy brush from Kala. The perfect tool for wet or dry hair. Oh, I have never seen anything like that. Loving the next thing. This bracelet. Now, this is beautiful. And this bracelet the stretch stack bracelet. Layers of blue, white, and gold beads come together perfectly in this stretchy stack bracelet. Sail away with a little sparkle. I'm in love with this bracelet. Let me know what you think. The next thing is Mermaid Water Hydrating Mist Toner. There are just really great products in here. So it's got the pump and it's calming, clarifying. So let's just see. Woo. It smells good. All right, wow. Loving this color. She Makeup Nail Lacquer in pastel blue. Didn't know if you can see the true color of this. But this is a beautiful nail polish. There's still more. Are these combs? Can you see how pretty those are? And I don't know if you can hear the owls. I have a couple owls here as well. And the Mirror Boomy Paper-Mache hairpins. Handmade in India using wood, recycled newspaper, and non-toxic paint. Create a unique updo for your next tropical vacation. I have no idea how to design my hair using these. If any of you out there have ever used these, let me know and let me know how to do it. Loving them though. The next thing is Glopro Hollow Stick. I'm not going to open it because it's packaged so nice. It looks like it's a lipstick. Let me see. I don't see it on here. I don't see it on here because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items, which is a lot of items, but I don't see this. So it looks like it's just a glossy lipstick, but I'm still loving that nail polish color. Looks like another little gift in here. What is this? I'm Tiffany Thomas. I create handcrafted ceramics and abstract paintings. I believe in doing what you love and creating happiness wherever you are. My love for gemstones stems from my appreciation for individuality. So there's a website. Oh, and it's a pin. You can see that. That is really kind of neat. I don't know. Oh, I don't see that on here either. So that must be just another bonus. Wow, what a great box. And a gold bag. Wow. Look at those earrings. Those earrings are great. I can't wear real heavy earrings, but to be honest, these do not feel heavy. And they're definitely a vacation earring. Let me know what you think of those. See from the Hexagon Earrings. Make a statement this year with these gorgeous Hexagon acrylic earrings. Comes in a beautiful sea foam and sparkle combination. I'll have to show them again because they look so nice. And it looks like there's one more thing. Looks like a makeup bag. Look at how beautiful that is. And what's nice is it's big. Wow, so here's the inside and here's the outside. Wow. soft handmade pouch made from a vintage Guatemalan blouse called a hoopil. Each blouse takes up to a year to create and will be worn for about 10 years. Imagine having a blouse like this. Wow. This is impressive. One more thing. Wake Up Skin. Animated animal face mask infused with rejuvenating coconut gel. So I guess you will look like an animal when you put this on. If I'm brave enough, I'll post a picture. But what do you think? First of all, the box was not very big. And all this great product came out of there. So I just love it and definitely would get another box. I can't wait to try the skin mask. This makeup bag is just beautiful. These earrings, I will definitely try those on. I will take this nail polish when I go and get my nails done because I can't wait to see how it looks. Then there's this lip thing, but as I said, they've got it really packaged up. And the Mermaid water toner that is very refreshing. Again, if you know how to use these hairpins, let me know. And then we've got the pin, postcard, a sticker, and this beautiful Dreamcatcher. It will look perfect in my son's house. He's building a man cave in the basement, so I know that will go good. And then this headband, which I will be sending to my daughter in Chicago because she could probably get more use out of it than I. So I will put the link and the price below. I want to say it was like $29.95 plus maybe some shipping. But it's definitely, oh, and I forgot my bracelet. This bracelet is just beautiful. So I will leave, and of course, the hairbrush. I am going to try this out and see if it pulls out all my hair or not. Hopefully it doesn't, but I'm just amazed what a great box this is. So please give me a thumbs up for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.